Okay, so now we are going to do hysteroscopy. So this is office hysteroscope 2.9 millimeter or operative sheath. So scope is 2.9 millimeter and this is operative sheath. So this consists of inner sheath and outer sheath. Now this is inflow, normal saline. So this wire tubing is from above and this is light source which is coming from below. So you should remember light comes from below and the water comes from above. It's like rain comes from above and the sun rises from below. Okay, so this is our basic holding pattern. So now whenever you are going into the cervix, stay here. Correct? Flow on. Sure. Okay. Now can you see the endocervical canal? Can you see the endocervical canal? Yes. Now you have to follow the notch. Can you see that notch? 6 o'clock notch. Huh? So now just go slowly advance your hand. Not this much fast. Slowly, very slow. Huh? So now just follow this. Follow this hole. Follow the hole. Follow the black hole which is leading you to the cavity. Now see, if you go like this, you will erode the endocervical endometrium. You have to stay like this, up, huh? And now slowly try going in. See, easily going in. Go in, like this. Okay. Now once you are, can you see the endometrium?
Yes.
You can clearly see now. So this is the endometrium. This is internal os, white. This is the endometrium. Now once you are into the endometrium, now you can just take your hand up like this to get the panoramic view of the cavity. Now this is fundus. Okay. Now you want to see the left side of the ostia. So to see the left side of ostia, move this whole assembly towards the left, right? And then take the light cable to the left. Light cable. Yes. Take the light cable to the left. Correct?
Yes.
Now you can see the left ostia. Can you see the left ostia properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now again take the cable to middle, original. Now to see the right ostia, move whole assembly to the right and then rotate this light cable. No, don't. Change your hands. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the
Yes,
ostia clearly? Now you do it on your own. Okay. Now take it in the center. Stay here. Go inside slowly. Yes. Now see the left ostia. See the left ostia. Yes. See the left ostia properly. Go close to the left ostia. Very good. Now come back slowly. Take cable to the original position and see the right ostia. See the right ostia. Go in, see the right ostia. Can you see the right ostia now? Yes. Now, once you see this, now if you want to do cannulation, how to do the cannulation? First, suppose we want to do the cannulation on left side. So you have to see the ostia. Now take this straight. Hold with left hand. This finger straight, index finger straight, and support the light cable. Correct? Okay. Now with your right hand, guide wire. Correct? Now your assistant will help you putting this guide wire inside the operative channel. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we are starting the outflow, operative channel, and now just push in. Push the guide wire in. See, push the guide wire in. Push it. Keep pushing. To बाजूला. Push it inside. Go in. See, the guide wire will come opposite to the notch. opposite to the notch. Notch indicates the light cable, correct? Go in. Yeah. See,
Yes.
correct? Opposite to the notch. Now go very close to the ostia and guide the guide wire into C. Understood?
Yes.
How to do the cannulation? Correct? Take it back, take it back, take it back and go on your own. Go. Push slowly, slowly, slowly. Go inside. Go inside. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Again come back. Come back. Go in. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now if you want to do the cannulation on opposite side, take it slightly back. Take this in the middle. Take it in the middle. And on this side. Correct?
Yes. Then, yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now again the guide wire will come opposite to the notch. Go in slowly, slowly. Go in slowly. See?
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
You have to align and go in. Correct?
Yes.
Understood how to do cannulation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Don't poke, don't poke. Yes. You have to just go near the ostia and stay there. Correct? Take it in the center now and take a panoramic view and come back. Got this basics, basic about hysteroscopy. Now, we will take it out.
Sir.
Now take the grasper hai. Take one grasper or scissor, stay there. Okay. Now this is scissors.
This line is for.
Again. This is the operative channel.
Okay.
So this is once you open this is open and close. Correct. Now this is scissors.
Okay,
Suppose there is septum
Yes, sir.
inside. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Suppose there is septum. So how do you? Hold this with left hand.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to cut the septum, you have to insert this scissor. पकड़ो ऐसे, ठीक है? Now this will go in scissors, correct?
Yes. This is also from another side. From this
Yes,
side.
notch, yeah. Hold this now. Hold the scissors. Correct.
Yes.
Support the light cable. Light cable. Light
Oh,
cable.
light cable.
Correct. Now go in. Suppose there is a septum here.
Okay.
Open the scissor and cut. Cut. Understood?
Yes.
Cut. Cut. Understood how it works?
Yes.
Suppose you want to do metroplasty. So the fixed prong
Okay.
for metroplasty.
Yes.
Open. It, go in.
Hmm.
It will go in. Go in. Cut. 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 Correct. Go in and cut. Cut. Keep cutting. Understood?
Okay.
Again.
Endometrial
Come
polyp.
back. Yeah. Polyp, septum, metroplasty. So this is the way you cut the scissors. Chalo. Done. Close it. Come back. See, this was just to give you idea how it works. It is not very difficult.